Hey guys, and welcome back to another weekly vlog here on my channel. But first, coffee, am I right? Okay, so I'm about to enter week 3. I'm nearly a fourth of the way there. Thank you guys so much for following my journey. Now, I just wanted to leave off by asking, do you still want me to upload these vlogs once a week, or would you rather see them bi-weekly or tri-weekly? Like, just let me know. Like, I'm more than happy to just combine some of the vlogs together, or if you want to see them more up to date and see what I'm doing every week, that's fine too. So yeah, I'm about to head off to the boot camp and just had some lunch at home because the boot camp is from 1 to 6, like I said before. So it's about 5 hours long, but I wanted to eat some lunch before and drink another cup of coffee. It's already my second one for the day. I mean, it is about noon, so that makes sense. I usually on like my second cup around this time. But yeah, so we're going to be doing some more things with Vue. It is our second week where we're doing the actual coding part, and we're going to be doing some more pair programming today. And yeah, that's all I really know so far. We have like a Slack group where we have a team. It's called the team Avocoders, kind of like avocado, but coders, Avocoders, and it's really cute. We even have like a little dancing avocado emoji dancing in our little Slack group, and as well as our Trello board. So we definitely like to have fun and make jokes and laugh. Yeah, it's good times. So yeah, that's all I know we're doing so far. But because I'm in a team of 3, I'm not sure if this is the week that I will be coding alone, or if I will be doing pair programming again today. But at least the other participants are next to me, so I can hear them converse, so I can kind of multitask at the same time, kind of hear what they're working on, and then as well as coding by myself, not completely by myself though. I'll have a coach with me watching me and, you know, kind of teaching me and showing me maybe if there's a better way I can do something. So that's pretty neat. I enjoy getting that individual attention. And this week I made a goal to understand GIT better. So I've been practicing a lot of GIT over the week because when I do things by myself, I don't necessarily need to do so much GIT and committing things to the repository. I mean, that is important, but I just learned a lot about like what it takes to write a good commit message. Actually, I'll go ahead and leave a blog post that I found very interesting that I read over the last few days, and I think everyone can benefit from this because the way how this guy spells it out, he has 7 basic rules on what it takes to write a good GIT message, because you can't just write, oh, I made some changes. Like, you have to be specific. And there's even like he has this recommended practice that you should use with 7 rules that you must always follow. It's very interesting. I'll leave it down below if you're interested in learning more about that. But yeah, that being said, let's head on to the coding bootcamp. So I'll see you guys there. Let's go. Working on the front page still. I added an arrow, but I still have to position that because I get very OCD about things when it's not lined up perfectly. I'm just like, my mind has an explosion. Trying to make it look exactly like this. Every time I make a change, it is good practice to commit every time. So I just made a small change. I made the background image to fit different types of screen sizes instead of it just fitting to the browser and messing up the other elements. So, and then I committed that. Yay, now it is responsive. Ta-da. that I just got. I got vegan veggie chips. People on my team just came back from Australia and got us a snack, but surprisingly it says chicken style, but it's vegan. I'm questioning that just a little bit, but I mean, seems legit to me. Yummy. Alright, here's how the app is coming along so far. So when the users take the quiz, they have to pick a living habit that they would like to take a quiz on. So for example, if it was me taking it, I would obviously select the plant-based diet, and then I'll take a quiz based on which one of the living habits I select. So right now I'm trying to make it responsive to mobile, but I'm definitely gonna make it look different than this because this doesn't look too great. Alright, here's the desktop version of the page I made, and I just made it responsive. So, ta-da! Cool. It looks just like the mock-up the designers gave me. And now I'm just going to go ahead and commit this to GitHub, so that way the other people on my team can access it. So if you guys remember this morning in the intro of my video, I was telling you that I read up this blog post, how to write a good commit message. So I'm gonna go ahead and use those rules now because I just got a bunch of code done, and so there's a lot to explain, so I'm gonna follow that guide. Go ahead and click the link in the description to see what I'm talking about. So these are very important 7 guidelines that you should follow. So, but yeah, like I said, I'll leave the blog post down below. This guy who, Chris Beams, he explains it much better than me. Alright, I should be ashamed because I just completely destroyed these. But they were so good. Thank you so much. He got them for me. Thank you. Australia. Yeah, he got them all the way from Australia. So I told him that by next week he better be going back to Australia and getting me a whole suitcase of them. Otherwise he'll be very angry. I'm just kidding, that won't be. No, but really. Yeah.
If you provide the tickets, I'll do it.
Okay, deal. Worth it. Can you choose the place? Oh, okay, anywhere you want. Okay, but guys, I am done for the day. I just did my last push, and then I will be working on some homework the rest of the week. So yeah, just gonna head on home now. Alright, that's all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. The best way you can support my channel is by thumbsing up this video and subscribing my channel. So if you'd like to see more, honestly, that'll mean so much to me if you can do that. I'm trying to grow this channel, and I appreciate all of my new subscribers I've gotten lately. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in next week's video. And let me know if you want me to make a whole separate video talking all about Git and how to write a good Git message, because I'm more than happy to share that knowledge with you guys. But anyways, I'll see you in next week's video. Bye! Follow me on Instagram too. Okay, bye.